what I can't do. It's a big car over there.
But can you get across over to the other side?
Bigger park right there.
Can you get over to the other side?
We can walk over there.
Okay.
It's on this side of the canal.
Oh, I thought it was on the other side.
No.
Let's go.
Okay. I think so.
There's windmills.
Yeah.
Not till I get some tennis shoes on.
I have no idea how to drive there. Okay. That's not a driving road, I don't think. I have to get to this road. This way.
Yeah, I don't want to walk all the way down there, so I'll just wait.
All right, then walk with me.
I don't want to walk all the way down
See
there.
this here? There's water here. Look
Yeah.
how high the water is here compared to the water there.
Uh-huh.
Isn't that strange?
Yeah, you're going to walk all the way down.
24. I just read the sign right there. 24. 20. And it may be that's 22. I mean, that's not far away.
Except for if there's no app.
I don't know. You know? That's why I gotta ask him, but I figured he would know how to find the road better than maybe this is. No, there's a gate here. Yeah, B&B right there. Forte had 19A. That's it. I don't know how to get to this road. I think we go down farther and come back. But this is it.
Alright.
Beware of tiny little dogs. Bashan fristing. Gotta push the button.
Oh, I see. There's a key.
Hello? Okay,
Okay. We kind of couldn't find our way in the car.
we got close.
We got close.
We got
Must be
close.
Marco.
Hello. Hello.
Murphy.
Okay.
Marco.
Hi, Marco. I'm Carla.
Hello, Marco.
I said, well, let's start to build another house.
All
Oh, good.
Okay. This is where you have breakfast. I see that.
Yeah, you see that. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Good.
Mr. Carla.
And Jack. What do you want me to write?
There you go.
Oh, definitely.
Where are we right now? Here?
We are here, but
And this is a dike here.
this is the dike, and there's a little bridge here where you can walk.
Okay, so if we walk back that way, we can see where the car is from there, I think.
You take the net with you.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the windmill of Sloot. You will probably see it outside
Yes.
there.
We can see.
And the other windmill is over there, 200 meters there.
Oh,
all right.
Are there
So
places
nice.
to eat around here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We
Best,
might,
best restaurant here is
we're just more for a snack.
Syriana.
Okay.
It's close
Okay.
by.
Okay, well that'll be fun. We'll go for a walk tonight. And we'll go
And
down.
then you've got figured out where we park at?
Yes, I need to use the restroom.
Okay, where's our room at?
You have to sleep outside between the fish, I think. So this is your room,
Okay.
London.
All right.
All right.
London.
We're right at the water level.
Yes. Oh boy. Okay, I see that
It's a
there.
little bit small, so I'll show you this one. Now you can step here. So you have to close
Oh, yeah, yeah.
open the window, so.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now you can just peek a room.
Okay. Can you go out on that
You
deck there?
can go all around, all the way you want.
Okay.
You have a mini bar,
Mini bar
and the
there?
drinks are for free. That's the present from the house.
All right, so we've got your money in there. And we've got our maps.
One day here, so.
Oh, okay. Camping. Camping area.
So this is the canal, and that was the big lake formerly.
Yeah.
Until Rotterdam, it's 60 miles big.
Okay.
And that pumped the whole out of water
Yeah.
because there was a heavy wind always,
Yeah.
and there was an open connection with the sea.
Yeah.
There was a very rough lake.
Oh yeah.
Some place was 60 meters deep. The Spanish are the beaten here, not the Dutch.
Okay.
That the lake was becoming bigger and bigger and bigger, and it almost flooded Amsterdam and Haarlem.
Oh.
And then they decided to make a dike like this. It's a double dike.
Yes.
So there's the polder, here's the dike, there's the water, and there's the dike. That's all around the lake they made it. So they made a double dike
And
with water.
then they emptied the lake.
So they can make the transport for the grocery and the farmers. That's
Yeah.
why they did it. And then they pumped it empty for I think 10 years with British steel pumps, steaming pumps.
Did they continue to pump all the time?
Yeah, there are now 5, 6 pumping stations.
Okay.
And they pumped all the rainwater, pumped out of the polders, and they bring it to the dunes, and there's filtered through the sand. And it's completely filtered, also with, it's a beautiful nature area, and the whole thing is getting cleaner, and then it goes back to as drinking water.
Ducks are those? Or what
They are called,
So your water's good to drink?
you can easily drink it. It's completely clean. It's like a bottle. We never drink. We never buy water from the bottles.
Nice.
We just drink it from.
Okay.
are those? Look at the boat.
Yes, that's a nice boat.
Cool.
That's just like my boat.
In summer, all the boats are going on. Also with the gay pride that come all and all the people go to the town and the racing is very nice.
Yeah. Okay.
So in the summer we swim here also.
Yes.
It's very good clean water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, great place. Thank you.
Yeah. So enjoy yourself.
We will.
And here's the secret
Well-
button. Use the secret button when you do
For
this.
lights?
You have the warm lights.
Oh, warm lights. So if we go swimming, we can warm up.
The special button.
All
Can
right.
Can you swim now?
You can swim, but it's rather cold. Yeah.
Rather cold. Okay, maybe we will though. We didn't go swimming yet. We may do that. Okay, we got to go get our stuff and settle in, honey. Yep. Yes, they did
Oh,
close
I
the
have to
room.
go get the.
We need to go down and get the map.
Yeah, give it to me. Or do
Okay.
you want to go get it?
Let's go. I'll follow you. You can show me the way.
So this will be a lounge room with
It'll be very
bench,
nice.
So.
Oh, that is nice. You're working hard. You remind me of my husband. This is how he's doing all these projects.
Yeah.
Projects.
I always finish my projects. Maybe the.
That's excellent.
You understand?
I finished them eventually. All right.
All right, Bubba.
We just need the lunch. We only need the lunch. Hey.
Is it possible to pull our car up here when we take our luggage out and in?
Yeah, but you have to pull you back
Yeah,
to the car.
I think we'll do that.
Okay.
All right. That's an adventure. I told you we were close by. Yes, he is. He's excited about his projects. Really? Can they see that? Go that way. Okay, so we're here. You go that way. We're at the end of that.
Well, we should go back that way, I guess. That's not the one that's keep it rolling.
We walk this way. What's that?
Well, if you come in, you have to wait for the to check in the
Oh,
rain.
yeah.
So it's not good.
No, it's good. It's good. You're fine. It's as advertised. You advertised it saying it was hard to find and it's unique, and it is, and it's very nice though.
Yeah.
Boy.
Hi.
Wow, they're huge.
I bought most of them. I bought so for $3-4, and now
Yeah?
I expand.
Wow.
Wow.
There's some
And
big ones.
when it dies, I take a new one at the garden center. So
Yeah.
They're neat.
Big fish!
Yeah, that's
Like this big!
yeah, I know.
Holy crap!
Codfish. Thought your feet. You're noodling with your toes, honey. Do some more noodling. Do your toes.
Jack is a big fish!
You put your toes like
Jack,
this,
you put it in there.
and then they come up.
See it, it was right there.
Yeah.
Holy crap! That was